Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you step by step how to transfer money from MetaMask to your LSSC account. So whether you are holding Ethereum, USDT or any other supported token on your MetaMask wallet and now you want to move it to your LSSC account for staking, investing or saving, this video is for you. We will go through how you can find the correct deposit address on LSSC, how you can select the right network, and how you can send your crypto safely from your MetaMask wallet. So this method works on both desktop and mobile versions of MetaMask. So by the end of this video, you will feel confident transferring your funds to LSSC without making any mistakes. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for lightsha.com. Once you are on the official website of LSSC, you need to provide your login credentials that include providing your phone number and your password. So you need to provide those and simply log in into your account. Now over here we need to get the deposit option. For that you can either tap on this My tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you will see two different options of recharge and withdrawal. You need to tap on the recharge option and you will be landed on the recharge page. If you want to access the recharge option from the home page, you need to simply just tap on the three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen, then select the option of recharge. Now whichever method you choose, you will be landed here on this recharge option, where you can see we have bunch of different cryptocurrencies like USDT, USDC, Ethereum and Bitcoin. So for USDT you will see three different networks: Polygon, TRC20 and ERC20. I would recommend you to choose between Polygon and the TRC20 if you want to save money on the gas fees. You can also select USDC, Ethereum and BTC. For Ethereum, you need to select the ERC20 network, and for BTC, you can select the Bitcoin network. So since MetaMask is the Ethereum based network, you can definitely select Ethereum over here. Now let's say I want to select USDT ERC20. Now enter the amount of USDT that you want to recharge your account with, then click on the confirm option. Now as soon as you click on the confirm option, you will be able to see this type of QR code in front of you, the transfer network that you are using for this particular transaction, the amount that you need to deposit and the deposit address. So you need to copy this address from here, then go back to your MetaMask account. Over here, if you don't have a MetaMask account, you need to create one, and if you already have it, you need to make sure that you are in your account. The first thing that you need to do here is to simply change your network to the one that you have selected in your LSSC account, which in our case is Ethereum. But as you can see, this is not the Ethereum network. So in order to change it, simply tap on this drop down menu in the top left hand corner of the screen, then tap on the option of Ethereum mainnet. Once you do this, it is going to show you the pop-up that the Ethereum mainnet is now active. So once you do this, you will find Ethereum over here. Now in order to add USDT on the Ethereum network, simply tap on the import token option. Over here you need to use the search bar and search for USDT. As you can see, we have USDT. Check this box, press next in the bottom. Now tap on the import option in the bottom right hand corner, and as you can see, we have USDT imported in our MetaMask account. This is on the Ethereum network. Now tap on the Tether USDT option. Over here you can see we have the buy, swap, bridge, send and receive option. Now before tapping on the receive option, I would recommend you to select the buy option first, because if you select the buy option, you will be able to directly purchase USDT in your account. So over here, after tapping on the buy option, it is going to show you further options like the amount that you need to basically purchase. So enter the amount, select the payment method. By default, it is going to show you the payment method of debit and credit card, but you can always tap on it and select any of the payment methods that is given in the list. Then tap on the option of get quotes. It is going to take some time in showing you quotes, and then click on the continue option. You can either continue with MoonPay or Bonks. So if you select continue with MoonPay, it is going to basically redirect you on the official website of MoonPay, where if you don't have an account, you need to create one by providing your email address and your phone number. Then you can select that particular payment method, which in our case is the credit and the debit card. After using that method, you can basically purchase the crypto directly on your MetaMask account. Now once you have USDT available in your MetaMask account, you need to come back here on this page, then tap on the option of send. Over here you need to paste the address that you have just copied from your LSSC account. So you can come back here anytime, copy this address from here, paste it here in this section, then tap on the next option in the bottom. Now once you tap on the next option, it is going to basically redirect you on the next page, where you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw. For this particular transaction we have 100 USDT, so you need to enter 100 USDT, then tap on the option of send. And before confirming the transaction on MetaMask, make sure that you review every details, like the network is correct, the amount should be correct, and the deposit address should also be correct. Once you see that everything is correct, you need to confirm your transaction from the MetaMask's end. From MetaMask, it is going to take around 5 to 10 minutes for your transaction to come in your LSSC account. You can anytime go to either scan.io if you used Ethereum and copy your MetaMask wallet address or the transaction ID. You can just paste that in there and look for the success and the number of confirmations needed. Now you need to come back on the LSSC account, then you need to come back on the home page, try refreshing your page, and within a few minutes you are going to get the money in your account. Now you can use that money in order to buy their plans. For that you can tap on the join option over here, then select any of their plans. And let's say I want to select this plan, so tap on the rent option, tap on the rent option again, select the option of balance payment. If you want to choose any coupon code, you can definitely do so. Provide your transaction password and click on the submit option. So this is how you can transfer crypto from your MetaMask account to LSSC very easily. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel. Also comment below if you want me to create similar guides for any other platforms. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.